Hello, today we're going to solve rotate array on LEETCODE. So the problem is saying that you have an array and you want to rotate it to the right k steps. For example, if we have 1, 2, 3 and k is equal to 1, so we want to rotate it to the right one step. What we're going to do is we're going to add 3 to the start, this, and then 1, 2. So we just flipped it one step. We just add like one step. Okay. So in our case, we have the first test case, which is 1 to 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and k is 3. So in this case, what we will do is we're gonna add 7 as a start for the first k. So k is 3. Gonna do this, and then we add the same array. So what we did is taking the last element, add it to the start, and just doing the array again. In this case, we did one step to the right. We rotate the array one step to the right. And same thing, if k is equal to, if we're gonna rotate it again, we're gonna just do the same, add 6 to the first, and then like this, so on, so on. So we notice, let's do it one more time. Let's do it one more time to show you a quite a good observation that will solve the problem. So this is our array at the end, okay? We notice that what we did is taking the last k elements and add it to the start. So like this, and then we take the elements that are less than the length minus 3 and add it, and we'll have the same solution. So instead of doing this over and over again, we can just iterate over the last 3 elements, add it to the first, and then use the first elements that are less than the length minus k and add it. Cool. So this is how we can solve the problem. But there is quite one other thing. So if we have 1, 2, 3 again, okay, and k is equal to 3, so k is equal to the size of the array. In this case, we will notice that what we're gonna do is we're gonna add it like it is, and then that's it, right? So if k is greater than or equal to the size of the array dot size, then we will have some sort of over this, some sort of loop, some sort of a circle. So we're gonna do something that we already did. What I mean by this is, if k is equal to 1, our array is gonna look like this: 3, 1, 2. And if k is equal to 4, we will have the same thing, 3, 1, 2, and that's the proof here. So we'll have 3, then 1, then 2. This is the first, and then 2, 3, 1, then 1, 2, 3, then again 3, 1, 2. So it's the same. So instead of doing all over that, instead of doing over and over, we notice that there is a cycle. So how we can get rid of that cycle is by saying k is equal to k mod array dot size. So in this case, we take the loops over. We take the things that are extras over. So in this case, k is equal to 4 and k is equal to 1 is the same. So because 4 mod 3 is 1 is equal to 1. Make sense? So yeah, this is the solution. I would really recommend you try to implement it by your own. But let's look at the implementation. Okay, what I've did here is doing the same thing as the mod, as I mentioned. and I made it as 32 bits because nums.length is actually u.size. It's another type of integers types. Okay, and then what I did is going k-steps, taking the last element and add it to the first. And that's the solution for the problem.